The length of a rectangle is 9.3 centimeters. Correct to one decimal place. So first let us write lower and upper bound for the given number. So given is length equal to 9.3. Now what should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? How do we decide it? We decide in this way. See, it's correct to one decimal place. See man, one decimal place means 0.1. You should know that. Now it's correct to whatever, we should do half of that. So do half, you get 0.05. So this you add and subtract. Okay, now when I add I get 9.35. When I subtract I get 9.25. Let's continue. Its width is 7.7 centimeters. Correct to one decimal place. So now let us write lower and upper bound for 7.7. So width is 7.7. What should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? How do we decide it? We decide in this way. See, even this also correct to one decimal place. One decimal place means 0.1. So it is correct to whatever, we should do half of that. So when we do half we get 0.05, which we already did. Okay, so that I should add and subtract. So I get 7.75 and 7.65. Okay, now write down the lower and upper bound for the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle formula is length into width. Clear? Now you need both lower bound and also the upper bound. To get the lower bound for the area, analyze, this is a multiplication. In multiplication take both lower, then the result will also be lower. Clear? You also need the upper bound. So area is nothing but L into W. To get the upper bound of it, multiplication both have to be upper. Then only the result will also be upper. Clear? So now replace the values. So A equal to L lower bound is 9.25 into W lower bound is 7.65. Multiply these two, we get 70.7625. Okay, now here upper bound for L is 9.35 into upper bound for W is 7.75. So multiply these two, we get 72.4625. Clear? We have found lower and upper bound for the area.